Immersive language learning is a dynamic approach that places you directly in the environment of your target language, accelerating your journey to fluency. By actively engaging in conversations, consuming media, and participating in cultural events, you expose yourself to the language in diverse, real world contexts. Research indicates that immersion not only enhances language comprehension, but also boosts cognitive abilities, such as problem solving and critical thinking. Immersion allows you to grasp linguistic nuances and cultural subtleties, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of the language's cultural context. Educational institutions have long recognized the benefits of immersive learning, implementing programs that integrate language and culture to promote bilingualism and intercultural competence. By immersing yourself in the language, you not only achieve fluency, but also develop a profound connection to the culture, enriching both your personal and professional life.